in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test your microphone on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, go down and select sound. And then scrolling down again underneath advanced, select all sound devices, and then select your microphone. And then if you scroll down again, you should see a microphone start test button to go ahead and actually test your microphone, and hopefully you'll hear it in your microphone itself. And you can stop the test by selecting stop, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.